Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every car owner: maximizing fuel efficiency and the importance of regular car maintenance. In this video, we'll explore some practical fuel efficiency hacks that can help you save money at the pump while also extending the life of your vehicle. We'll cover everything from simple driving habits to essential maintenance tips that can make a significant difference in your car's performance. Fuel efficiency isn't just about saving a few bucks. It's also about making a positive impact on the environment. By optimizing how we drive and maintain our vehicles, we can reduce our carbon footprint and contribute to a cleaner planet. Throughout this video, we'll share easy-to-implement strategies that can lead to better mileage and lower emissions. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or a new driver, our tips will be engaging and informative, ensuring you walk away with actionable insights. We'll discuss the role of tire pressure, engine maintenance, and even the benefits of regular oil changes. So if you're ready to learn how to get the most out of your fuel and keep your car running smoothly, stick around. Let's get started on this journey towards smarter driving and better car care. Fuel efficiency refers to how effectively a vehicle converts fuel into distance traveled, typically measured in miles per gallon, MPG, or liters per 100 kilometers, L100 kilometers. It plays a crucial role in overall vehicle performance, as higher fuel efficiency means you can travel further on less fuel, ultimately enhancing your driving experience and reducing the frequency of trips to the gas station. Several factors influence fuel efficiency, including driving habits, vehicle condition, and even the type of fuel used. For instance, aggressive driving, characterized by rapid acceleration and hard braking, can significantly decrease MPG. On the other hand, smooth, steady driving can help maximize fuel efficiency. Additionally, a well-maintained vehicle, including properly inflated tires and regular engine checkups, can lead to better fuel economy. Improving fuel efficiency offers numerous benefits. First and foremost, it leads to substantial cost savings over time, as you'll spend less on fuel. This is especially important in today's economy, where gas prices can fluctuate dramatically. Furthermore, enhanced fuel efficiency contributes to reduced emissions, making your vehicle more environmentally friendly. By using less fuel, you're not only saving money, but also playing a part in reducing air pollution and combating climate change. Understanding and improving fuel efficiency is a win-win for both your wallet and the planet. Regular vehicle maintenance is essential for maximizing fuel efficiency and ensuring your car runs smoothly. One of the most critical aspects of maintenance is scheduling regular oil changes. Using high-quality motor oil not only keeps your engine lubricated, but also helps it operate more efficiently. Fresh oil reduces friction, allowing your engine to perform at its best, which can lead to improved fuel economy. Another vital maintenance task is checking your tire pressure regularly. Properly inflated tires can significantly impact your vehicle's fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, forcing your engine to work harder and consume more fuel. Make it a habit to check your tire pressure at least once a month and maintain the recommended levels for optimal performance. Additionally, don't overlook the importance of replacing air filters and spark plugs. A clean air filter ensures that your engine receives the right amount of air for combustion, which is crucial for fuel efficiency. Similarly, worn-out spark plugs can lead to incomplete combustion, resulting in wasted fuel. By replacing these components as needed, you can help your engine run more efficiently and improve your overall fuel economy. Incorporating these regular maintenance checks into your routine not only enhances your vehicle's performance, but also saves you money in the long run. By taking care of your car, you're investing in its longevity and ensuring that it remains fuel efficient for years to come. Your driving habits play a significant role in determining your vehicle's fuel efficiency. One of the simplest yet most effective tips is to maintain a steady speed. Avoiding rapid acceleration and hard braking can lead to better mileage. When you accelerate quickly, your engine consumes more fuel, so try to gradually increase your speed. Smooth driving not only enhances fuel efficiency, but also contributes to a safer driving experience. Using cruise control on highways is another excellent way to improve fuel efficiency. By maintaining a consistent speed, you can reduce the amount of fuel your vehicle uses. Cruise control helps you avoid unnecessary speed fluctuations, which can lead to increased fuel consumption. Just remember to turn it off when driving in heavy traffic or on winding roads, where constant speed adjustments are necessary. Additionally, reducing idling time can significantly conserve fuel. When your engine is running while your vehicle is stationary, it continues to consume fuel without getting you anywhere. If you find yourself waiting for more than a minute or two, consider turning off your engine. This simple habit can lead to noticeable savings over time, especially for those who frequently find themselves in stop-and-go traffic. By adopting these mindful driving habits, you can enhance your vehicle's fuel efficiency, save money on gas, and contribute to a healthier environment. Small changes in how you drive can lead to significant improvements in your overall fuel economy. Tire maintenance plays a crucial role in maximizing fuel efficiency and ensuring a smooth driving experience. One of the first steps in tire care is to regularly check your tire alignment and balancing. Misalignment can lead to uneven tire wear, which not only shortens the lifespan of your tires, but also increases rolling resistance, causing your engine to work harder and consume more fuel. By ensuring your tires are properly aligned and balanced, you can enhance their performance and improve your vehicle's overall fuel economy. Another important aspect of tire maintenance is regular tire rotations. Rotating your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles helps distribute wear evenly across all tires, extending their life and maintaining optimal performance. This practice not only saves you money on tire replacements, but also contributes to better fuel efficiency, as well-maintained tires provide improved traction and handling. Additionally, using the right type of tires for your vehicle is essential for achieving optimal fuel efficiency. Different tires are designed for various driving conditions, and selecting the appropriate ones can make a significant difference. For example, all-season tires may be suitable for most drivers, but if you frequently drive in specific conditions, such as off-road or winter weather, specialized tires can enhance performance and fuel economy. By prioritizing tire maintenance, you can ensure your vehicle runs efficiently, saving you money on fuel and enhancing your driving experience. Regular checks and the right tire choices are key to keeping your car in top shape. The selection of fuel can significantly impact your vehicle's fuel efficiency and overall performance. One of the primary considerations is the difference between regular and premium gasoline. Regular gasoline typically has an octane rating of 87, while premium gasoline has a higher octane rating, usually around 91 or 93. For most vehicles, using regular gasoline is sufficient and can provide optimal performance. However, some high-performance or luxury vehicles are designed to run on premium fuel, which can enhance engine performance and efficiency. If your vehicle's manufacturer recommends premium gasoline, using it can help prevent knocking and improve fuel economy. In addition to choosing the right grade of gasoline, consider using fuel additives that can enhance engine performance and efficiency. These additives can help clean fuel injectors, improve combustion, and reduce engine deposits, leading to better fuel economy. Regular use of quality fuel additives can keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently, ultimately saving you money at the pump. Another option to consider is using fuels with higher ethanol content, such as E85, which contains 85% ethanol and 15% gasoline. While not suitable for all vehicles, certain flex fuel vehicles are designed to run on higher ethanol blends. These fuels can provide benefits such as lower emissions and, in some cases, improved fuel efficiency. However, it's essential to check your vehicle's compatibility before making the switch. By making informed fuel choices, you can optimize your vehicle's performance and enhance its fuel efficiency, contributing to both cost savings and a reduced environmental impact.
If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and share this video for more exciting automotive content. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of performance enhancements and automotive technology.